Hi, thanks for stopping by. It's Peg, and we were doing fun, I don't know, collage today on Art Joy is Sharing. And while I was working on a couple of other projects, I was showing them how to draw one of these little goofy birds and didn't get it finished. So I thought I'd finish it here on this video and show you what I did. I started off with this panel from Arteza. This is an 8x8 wooden panel, and I painted it out in some basics, Liquitex Titanic, no, titanium white Titanic. Oh my goodness, sinking ship here. Um, and then I was using some Deco Art media paints to paint it up. And so I have some different colors of yellow and orange and red and blue and green, all those bright, funky colors that we use when we're doing something childlike. And I think this is kind of cartoonish and childlike. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do, was get some of those colors going. Now I'm trying to get a little bit of contour. Uh, you know, pe people. Birds are not flat, they have contour. So I'm trying to show a little shadowing and contour to my bird and his beak and his body. And he's wearing shorts, don't ask me why. Birds always wear shorts, right? Anyway, these Deco Art fluid media acrylics I have had for about 2 years now, and they just keep on giving. You see the little tiny dot I have out of my desk. Um, just a little dot of this paint goes so far. And people look at it and they say, well, it's only a 1 ounce bottle. I've had them for 2 years and I've been painting with them regularly. Um, it just goes on and on. So, and they blend beautifully, and I love these paints. To me, it's kind of like the golden fluid acrylics, but they're a less expensive paint that keeps on giving. So, let's see. Going to do the background in some contrasting colors, and not a whole lot to say about this. I drew it out with Stabilo All and wet that down with a Pentel water brush pen, and once it's dry it's permanent then. But I like the fact that it kind of shadows and adds to that contour. And yeah, here comes some blue and green for the background. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope if you're new to my channel, that you subscribe, like, share, all of those things that are important to us. And yeah, maybe you'll make somebody else smile today, because we all need a smile. So if you want to see what we did in the live show, check out Art Joy is Sharing, which is my sister channel that I share live stream every week, a couple times a week right now, with Chelsea, and see my other quirky bird. So that's it for me. Thanks. Remember to be kind and stay well. Bye for now.